What's up, Jazz Cat Squad? Today we are trying a new food. This is something that we got. It's called Perilla leaf pancakes. And to me, they look like dumplings, but instead of a little wonton wrapper or a dumpling wrapper, they are wrapped around with a Perilla leaf. And this is interesting to me because I never saw this before, so I wanted to give it a try. So let's get started and cook this up. Well, they smell kind of bad. It smells kind of like an old bag of spinach. That's how it looks. And they look kind of fluffy there, but ooh, they're slimy. That's how it looks. That's very deflated. That's the other side. So I'm going to fry these. I hope the filling's good. I dumped out the bag and you only get so little, and these were about $5. And I think the filling is mostly, from the ingredients there, it looks like it's fish. So there they are, frying up. Say hi! Hi! This is the taste tester, Valora. We're giving this a try right now. Is it good? You like it? Okay, and now I will get to try it. Alright, let's see. So here it is. I'm gonna dip it in the ponzu sauce first. I would say it's very crunchy.
What are you trying?
We're trying this new Korean food.
What type of sauce is that? Right there.
That's what's inside.
What's the
one? So try.
I think it's just lettuce with leaves.
Oh.
What is that one?
I think it just tastes like crunchy, and it's kind of crunchy, and it tastes like some kind of like undistinguished, like chopped up fish that you can't really tell what kind of fish you're eating, but it's okay.
Ooh, what's on the inside? Yum. I don't like it. It tastes like it.
What do you say?
I don't want to try because it smells like...
It smells like bad stuff, he says.
No, it smells like poop, I said.
Okay, and look, this is the inside. We ripped off the outside. That's what it looks like on the inside. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.